Boss Egarda.
Iris to, Iris. Boss Egarda. Lincoln Egarda.
Lincoln Egarda. Rare merch pala. Ganda.
Iyo, no?
Cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest thing that I'll ever be. And go right now. And all I can taste is this one. And all I can breathe is mine. So tonight, I need someone. I just want to miss you tonight. And I want the world to see, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want to know who I am.
Hindi ka na nag-upload sa YouTube.
Hindi naman nakakala.
You can find the things that ain't true. For a moment of truth in life.
When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you need just to know you're alive.
And I
Don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. But everything's meant to be broken. I just want you to know why.
Saan ka na din po nagkakaroon din po kayo? Sa Canada po.
Oo, nakikita ko, nagkakaroon.
Pag lagi may gathering.
Over sa akin, pero rich mo na. Pagkagagaroon na yung magkakayagila.
Yun nga, nakita ka.
Pero hindi ka pala talagang ito ano po, pasta ka na. Hindi maganda dyan. Ano na? Sinanagawa ka na ng laki.
Hindi, ang kumakanta si Ate Gigi.
Oo.
Si Dennis, kumakanta rin si Dennis.
Si Melan.
Si Tamelan.
Ako, kumakanta na ako.
Pilitin na.
Pilitin.
Saka si Tita po?
And I know that the world see, 'cause I don't
Sabi mo kay mama, Sharon na, Sharon. Sharon time na.
everything's meant to be.
Sabi mo kay lola mo.
I just want to know who I am. And
To see, I just want you to know who I am. Sabi mo kay lola mo.
Yes.
Ay, yung dadalaw.
Let it be.
Wala.